Hello and welcome to a new video. This video was filmed in Coimbra, a beautiful Portuguese city. Look at the view from the hotel room. It's the Mondego River. This video was made the day after the Great Blackout in the Iberian Peninsula. And this is Sergeant Miller of the US 1st Infantry Division, also known as the Big Red One in World War II on the Western Front 1944.
Once again the stupid intro of this channel. And I'm not a girl.
Sergeant Miller wasn't always like this. This doll was purchased with a different body and different equipment. There was a video on my previous channel, but I won't bother you with previous details, but rather how the Sergeant is currently on display. This short speed-up video shows how it was acquired. The uniform is what was purchased. Part of the equipment was replaced with spare parts. The gaiters are new and came with the Order of the Eastern Front GD Division Panzer Officer. Have you seen this video?
Nope.
Okay, the link is in the description. The original body is from the Dragon brand and it is called Captain Miller. These photos were found on the internet and show the original configuration of this figure. Overall, the figure is very interesting but still needs updates in terms of equipment. These Dragon brand plastic devices are not ideal. But either way, it looks good in my collection. The machine gun is from 21st Century Toys brand and is not perfect. I need a better one. The helmet is made of metal and is very good. The head sculpt was slightly repainted, including the hair to look more blonde, because before he was American like he is now, he was a German soldier in my collection.
What is your major malfunction, numbnuts? Didn't Mommy and Daddy show you enough attention?
I love Coimbra. I lived in Coimbra more than 50 years ago and part of my paternal family is from that area. Visit Coimbra, you will love it.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.